welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel. I am Navi, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector or anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. So I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review a Cross brand ballpoint pen. First, I'll show you the pen. Here we have Cross Nile model and this is a twist type ballpoint pen. Yes, today we are going to review this pen. In this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. So you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at penhouse.in, and you can directly visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Velacheri and in Solingnallur. You can also purchase through online. Let's move on to the video. First, we look into the pen. This is Cross Nile model and this is a twist type ballpoint pen. So yeah, this comes with a smooth finish. This overall body is made up of metal. And here we can see the color combination of black and then silver. It's matte finish. Yep. So we'll see the construction now. We are going to calculate the length now. So that we are going to use this vernier scale. And this is the flat finial in the bottom, so we can easily calculate the pen, and it carries 132.95 mm, and this is a twist type ballpoint pen. So we'll calculate the length including the tip. It's 136.01 mm. We'll calculate the grip section diameter, and probably here near the cross area part it's 10.59 mm, and the barrel carries 10.67 mm. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Cross Nile ballpoint pen, and this carries 31 gram, and this is a mid-weight pen. We'll unscrew this and we'll calculate the barrel weight. It's like a cap. It carries 13 gram. This overall body including the refill carries 18 gram. We'll remove this refill and calculate the weight, and this is 2 gram, and here we have the barrel and the body that carries 14 gram. We saw the construction now, and this is a mid-weight pen with an usual length, and they have mentioned the band and then here band area, and here we have a trim rings, and in the grip section part they have mentioned the brand name Cross, and in the clip they have mentioned the brand name. It's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket. Here we have a flat finial, and this is a twist type ballpoint pen. It comes with a medium tip size and black color refill, and this is a ballpoint pen. So we'll pull off this. So this types of refills are not use and throw. It's like a refill model, so we can easily use again and again. Now we'll do the writing sample. First we are going to write the penhouse.in. And this is black color refill, and now we are going to write in small letters the brand name, and it's Cross Nile model, and the tip size it's medium tip. Now do the smoothing test. Nice constant ink flow and nice smoothing, and it's very dark in color. We'll do the horizontal line and vertical line. Yes, it's perfect for writing, and many branded ballpoint pens we need to make more pressure and write, but in this pen it's different. We can easily write. We don't want to make more pressure while writing. Now we did the writing sample. It gives a dark color with constant writing flow, Nice grip section because of this matte finish. And this is a mid-weight pen, but while writing, it's very flow. And I just love this pen, the color combination especially. So overall, can use this pen. This is a medium tip, but a medium weight pen. But all the school students, office going, everybody can use this pen. We came to the end of the session where the pen house is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos. Not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different brands like Cross, Shifo, Pentel, Rangaratnam, and Hero, all branded pens, including all spares are available like refills and converters, cartridges, nibs. According to the pen size, you can customize the nibs. Other than that, we are manufacturing our own products like ballpoint pen, roller ball, and then fountain pens, handmade pens, especially stylus pens. Nowadays, it's very useful while using the mobile phones. And we are also manufacturing silver filigree pens. We all know silver plates, bowls, and cups, but we are manufacturing silver pens, including you can also customize your company name or brand name or logo in that pen, and you can customize the god symbol designs or your favorite attractive designs, or you can also engrave the name that pen. In this pen also you can engrave the name because it's a metal body. Other than plastic body or other than every body like metal, steel, and aluminum, we can engrave, and even though in wood, so that option is also available. While using these types of luxury pens or branded pens, we need to maintain it properly. The best two ways to maintain the pen: the first one, you need to carry a pouch, so that will prevent from small scratches and damages of your pen and will take your pen to a long life. And the second best way is you need to maintain, you need to do a proper service or repair works for the pen. Whether you're having a lots of pen collections and you'll use some pens at rare use, on that time while doing a proper maintenance or service, that will long last your pen, and that will avoid from rusting or any other damages to the pen. So you can also come to a shop. Some repair works, all the things are available in penhouse.in. And we also manufacturing MDF and acrylic products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items, and short timings and affordable prices. If you want to know all the categories of our products, or if you want to buy this pen, link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your products. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Signing off, Vijay.